पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We are in the introduction to Swayam Jyotir Brahmana. On page 974, second last line in Tika. तर्कस्य महत्वं चतुर्विध दोष राहित्येन अबाधितत्वम्. Everybody found? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this I had mentioned last time. We will cover later. So now you see the footnote there at the bottom. What is tarka? व्याप्यारोपेण व्यापकारोपस्तर्कः. व्याप्य आरोपेण व्यापक आरोप. व्याप्य here is वन्य भाव. व्यापक is धुमा भाव. यथा ही यथा यदि धूमो वन्य व्यभिचारी स्यात् तर्हि वन्यजन्यो न स्यात् इति. It's the format of tarka we have seen in Tarka Sangraha. If dhuma was vanya vyabhichari, dhuma was vanya vyabhichari means dhuma could exist in the absence of vanya. Then vanya janyo na syat. Then dhuma would not be vanya karya, vanya janya. But dhuma has vanya janyatvam. Therefore, dhuma is not vanya vyabhichari. Dhuma will not do vyabhichar with vanya. If wherever dhuma is, it will have to be there only if there is vanya. Otherwise, dhuma will not exist there. What is tarkaha? Chaturvida dosha rahito hi tarkaha sadhu bhavati. So vyapya aropena vyapaka aropa. Fourfold dosha should be absent. Chaturvida dosha rahito hi tarka. What are the four doshas? They are given. Techa doshaha pradarshyante. Darshyante. Refa is missing. आपादक सत्वग्रहः, आपाद्य सत्वग्रहः, आपाद्य आपादकयोर व्यभिचारः, अप्रयोजकत्वं च इति. These are the four. आपादक सत्वग्रहः, आपाद्य सत्वग्रहः. आपादक. What is आपादक? आपादक is vanya bhava. You should note down there, otherwise you will not know. Apadya is dhuma bhava. So if vanya bhava grahana is there, Vanya abhava is actually there, sattva. Then it's a dosha. Dhuma bhava. Dhuma has to be exist for someone to do tarka. This we have seen in Tarka Sangraha, so I am not going to elaborate. But it's a refresher. The one who says, Yadi Dhumo Vanni Vyabhichari Syat, he has to see Dhuma. He sees Dhuma, he knows there is Dhuma. Then he says, if there was Dhuma Vanni Vyabhichari, then it would not have been Vanni Janya. So he knows Dhuma is Vanni Janya and there is Dhuma. So if Dhuma was not there, then Vanni would not have been there. Yadi Dhumo na syat, tarhi यदि वन्य न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात्. दिस इज हाउ विल से. यदि वन्य न स्यात्, अगर वन्य नहीं होता, if fire was not there, then smoke would not have been there. But smoke is there, he sees it. So it is only apadana. Apadana means aropanam. So apadaka here is vanya bhava. Apadya is dhuma bhava. आपाद्य आपादतयोर व्यभिचारः. This is the third dosha. Between them, if there is व्यभिचार, it is dosha. So apadya apadaka, they will not have व्यभिचार. Wherever there is vanya bhava, there will be dhuma bhava. And aprayojakatvam cha. Aprayojakatvam, a hetu which will not do siddhi of sadhya is called aprayojaka hetu. But vanya bhava will do siddhi of dhuma bhava. So if this is not there, then it is aprayojaka hetu. Tattvam karya karana bhavadi mulakatva abhavaha. So what is the essence of this? That there is a karya karana sambandha between dhuma and vanya. Karya karana bhavadi mulakatva abhava will result in all these apattis. Then there is karya karana bhava absent. Prakrute cha tarke nasti anyatamopi dosha. In dhuma and vanya, neither of these doshas are there. Therefore, it is sadhetu. What they are given here. We don't need to enter into details. On the next page, you see, again in the footnote there, etad ghato yadi vanni vyabhichari syat tarhi vanni samanadhikarano na syat. And if ghata and vanni, between them, doshas are there. Atra chaturnam api doshanam sattvad. It is not sattarka. Between dhuma and vanya, doshas are not there. So it is sadhetu. Between ghata and vanya, doshas will be there. Yadi ghato na syat, tari vanya api na syat. You cannot do such tarka. It is illogical. Because ghata is not vanya janya. And ghata is vanya vyabhichari. I'm not asking any questions to anybody on this, assuming that you all know everything. And I know you all know everything. Now you come to next page. So these doshas are not there. With tarka, in this chapter, some yuktis are going to be used to establish. See on next page, 975. In Bhashya, Sadbhava, first line, Sadbhavascha Atmano Vipratipatti Ashanka Nirakarana Dvarena. Atmanaha Sadbhava is by Vipratipatti Ashanka Nirakarana. eliminating the vipratiपत्ति आशंकास. व्यतिरिक्तत्वम शुद्धत्वम स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वम अलुप्त शक्ति स्वरूपत्वम निरतिशय आनंद स्वाभाव्यम अद्वैतत्वम च अधिगंतव्यम इति इदम आरभ्यते. In this adhyaya, व्यतिरिक्तत्व, Atma is different from Dehadi Sanghata. This will be shown, one thing. Second, it is Shuddha. Atma can never become impure. Third, Swayam Jyotishtva. Atma is Swayam Prakasha Swarupa, Jyotish Swarupa. Fourth, Alupta Shakti Swarupatva. Its Shakti will never have lopa. It will never become devoid of Swayam Jyotishtva. And Niratishaya Ananda Swabhavyam is number 5. It is Ananda Matra and Advaitatvam cha Adigantavyam. With this in mind, this Brahmana, Swayam Jyotir Brahmana is taken up. Tika. After Vyatiriktatvam, fourth line. Dehadi Vyatiriktopi Atma Karta Bhokta cha iti eke. Bhokta eva kevalam iti apare tan prati uktam shuddhatvam. Those who think that Atma is nothing but part of Sanghata only, to them it is said Atma is Dehadi Sanghata Vyatirikta. Some people say, okay, Atma is Dehadi Vyatirikta, like Nyaya Vaisheshika, Sankhya Yoga. But Nyaya Vaisheshika says Atma is Karta Bhokta cha. It is Karta and Bhokta. Iti eke. And Sankhya Yoga Darshan will say it is Bhokta eva, not Karta. So to all of them it is said it is Shuddha. Shuddha means neither Karta nor Bhokta. Because Karta is also Vikari, Bhokta is also Vikari. Then Tarkikas and Prabhakara, they all will say Atma is Jada. Tasya Jadatva Paksham Pratyachaste Swayam Jyotishtvam Tasya Atmana. So Tarkikas and Prabhakaras are again refuted here. And Bhatta, they don't say it is Jada, but they say it is Jnana Ajnana Swarupa, Jada Chetana Swarupa. So that is also refuted by saying it is Tatra Kutastha Drishti Swabhavatvam. It is Kutastha Chaitanya, Alupta, Aviparilupta Chaitanya. So not Kshanika Vijnana either. एतेन विज्ञानस्य गुणत्व पक्षोपि प्रत्युक्तो वेदितव्यः. विज्ञान क्षणिक विज्ञान पक्ष, which says it is gunatva paksha means Atma has Vijnanam as its gunam, is also refuted. Yetu Anandam Atma Gunam Ahustan Pratyaha. And those who say Ananda is Guna of Atma. Atma is not Ananda Swarupa, like Nyaya Vaisheshika. So it is said Atma is Niratishaya Ananda Swarupa. Atmanaha Saprapanchatva Paksham Pratyadishati. Is Bhartru Prapancha, Vishishta Dvaita, Dvaita, they will say, okay, Atma is Dehadi Vyatirikta, Shuddha, Swayam Jyoti, Alupta Chaitanya, Niratishaya Ananda. They accept everything. But they say Atma is Saprapancha. There is Dvaitam also. So it is said, no, Atma is Advaitam. In this way, all Pakshas are refuted. Brahmana Tatparyam Abhidhaya Akhyayika Tatparyam Aha. Having shown Brahmana Tatparya, now Akhyayika Tatparya is been given. आख्यायिका तो विद्या संप्रदान ग्रहण विधि प्रकाशनार्थ. आख्यायिका इज फॉर विद्या संप्रदान ग्रहण विधि प्रकाशनार्थ. विद्या संप्रदान, विद्या इज बीइंग इम्पार्टेड. संप्रदान ग्रहण विधि प्रकाशनार्थ आख्यायिका. व्हाट डज इट मीन? विद्यायाः संप्रदानम शिष्यस्. संप्रदानम मीन्स शिष्य. तस्य ग्रहण विधि श्रद्धादि प्रकारस्. तस्य प्रकाशनार्था इयम् आख्यायिका इति यावत्. विद्यायाः संप्रदानम. संप्रदानम संप्रदीयते. हाउ विल यू डू विग्रह ऑफ संप्रदानम to address Shishya? बोलिए. संप्रदीयते अस्मै इति संप्रदानम अस्मै शिष्याय. So what is sampradanam? Sampradiyate, that which is given to someone, so that the one who receives is called sampradanam, shishya, who is the recipient for whom knowledge is transferred. How a shishya should do grahana of vidya? Vidyayaha sampradanam shishya tasya grahana vidhi. Shraddhadi prakara. So shishya should have Shraddha, etc. This we just saw in Brahma Sutra in Chandogya 7th chapter. Shraddha Purvak Shravanam. For that, Shushusha, Dharma Yoga, etc. and Shamadama, etc. Then Nististhati, etc. All that is required for proper assimilation of knowledge. Grahana vidhi shraddhadi prakara. Adina Shamadi. Tasya prakashanartha iyam akhyayika. So in this akhyayika, this also will be pointed out. How Janak Maharaj has all this shraddha with which he will receive the knowledge. Prayojananantaram tasya darshayati. Anya prayojanam. There is some other prayojanam of this also that is being shown. Vidya. Vidyastutayecha. This Akhyayika, the story between Janaka and Yajnavalkya, is for Vidyastuti also. How Brahma Vidya is so wonderful. Many times what happens, because every day you have to study so much, then you feel this Brahma Vidya doesn't do anything good. So Vidya Stuti, in every Upanishad, Kathopanishad does Vidya Stuti and Kenopanishad does Vidya Stuti. And you think, what Brahma Vidya Stuti? I don't see any such great thing. Second thing is all the students who are around, you see them every day. So you think nothing has changed in them. They are not improving. So what is so great about Brahma Vidya? So this is, if this was the case, then Upanishads would be all untrue. They would not be doing Stuti. They will not say, Ascharyavat Pashyati Kaschidenam. Ascharyavat vadati tathaiva. What Ascharya? I don't see so much Vedanta is available. So you will understand the importance of this only when it is not available. Then you realize what is happening to life. So Vidyastutaye, this is the other prayojana. And then in Mulam, Visheshataha Varadanadi Suchanat. And in particular, or in addition, Visheshataha Varadanadi are there. A Varam was imparted to Janak Maharaj by Yajnavalkya. So what is Visheshataha? See second and third number tippani. Karmabhyo adhikam iti yavad. Karmabhyo adhikam. In Tika, some points are explained. Varadanadi adina vidya prashno grahyas tabhyam vidya stutehe suchanadityartha. Vidya prashno grahya. Varadana and vidya prashna. By them, vidya stuti happens. अथवा वरदानम आदि ही कारणम यस्य विद्या प्रश्नस्य. सी टीका कथम कर्मभ्यो विशेषतो विद्यायाः स्तुतिः. How vidya is stuti is done by showing it is different from karma. Karmabhyo visheshata. So that is given there further in tika. काम प्रश्नाख्यस्य वरस्य याज्ञवल्क्येन राज्ञे दत्तवान् तेन च अवसरे ब्रह्मज्ञानस्यैव पृष्ठत्वात् अनेन विधिना विद्यास्तुतेः सूचनात् सापि अत्र विवक्षिता इत्यर्थः. Earlier there was one in during karma kanda, means we started from the third chapter onwards of the Veda, Prahadaranyaka. But in the earlier chapter, there is one Akhyayika, same, Janaka and Yajnavalkya. But the topic is of karma. At that time, Yajnavalkya ji asked some questions to Janaka regarding the karma. And Janaka gave answer to Yajnavalkya. Janak Maharaj was teaching to Yajnavalkya about karma. Yajnavalkya ji was pleased with those answers. So he said, I will give you a blessing. Kama prashnakya vara. Whenever you want to ask question, you can ask. Yajnavalkya ji gave blessing to Janak Maharaj. Seeing his clarity in knowledge about karma. And of course, he was listening to satsangs regularly based on Vedanta. So, kama prashnakhyasya varasya. That varadan was kama prashna. Whenever you want, you can ask. Kama prashnakhyasya varasya. Yajnavalkyena Rajne Dattavan. By Yajnavalkya, it was given to Raja. Rajne Dattavan. Raja Janaka. Now, Janaka is very, very bright. He understood. He said, whenever there is opportunity, I will ask only about Brahmajnana. So, whenever he found opportunity, avasara, तेन च अवसरे ब्रह्मज्ञानस्य एव पृष्ठत्वान्. He will ask only questions about Brahmajnana. This is what makes Janak Maharaj different from everybody else. So 16 number tippani you see, Pura Agnihotra Samvade. Pura means earlier in the past, Yajnavalkya gave the boon to Janaka in the form of whatever you want. He said, I will ask questions. and questions he asked only about Brahma Jnana. So Brahma Jnana seva prashtatvad anena vidina vidyastutehe suchana. This is the greatness of Brahma Vidya, that when a person is allowed to ask questions, he will only ask about Brahma Vidya, because he knows the importance. Everything else is unimportant. Sa api atra vivakshita. So that is also indicated in this Akhyayika. Ityarthaha. Now we begin. Janakam havai deham yajnavalkyo jagama समेने न वदिष्य इत्यथ यज्जनकश्च वैदेहो याज्ञवल्क्यश्च अग्निहोत्रे समुदाते तस्मै याज्ञवल्क्यः एव सम्राडेव वैदेह जनक महाराज विदेह राजा Yajnavalkya Jagama. Yajnavalkya approached him. And Yajnavalkya this time went with the determination. Samene na vadishye iti. I am not going to open my mouth this time. Means I will not answer any questions to Janaka. With this determination, he went. Now you imagine, he went with this determination and we have a full chapter. Actually, full Brahmana, Tritiya Brahmana and Chaturtha Brahmana, they are connected. Entire thing is a conversation. So if Yajnavalkya ji had gone with the determination, I am not going to speak. But he had to speak. Why? See. Samene navadishye. Iti atha yad janakascha vaideho Yajnavalkyascha agnihotre samudate. Janaka, Vaideha and Yajnavalkya at the time of Agnihotra Prasanga earlier, samudate, that whatever discussions they had, tasyaha tasmaiha Yajnavalkyo varam dadau. To that Janaka, Yajnavalkya gave some boon. तस्मैः याज्ञवल्क्यो वरम ददौ सह काम प्रश्नम एव बभरे. So that Janaka, he had the boon of Kama Prashna. Now he is going to ask that. Before Yajnavalkya says, I am not going to answer or anything, he asked the question about Brahma Vidya. Look at Janaka asking question. Because you remember, he has said Kama Prashna. And I am going to ask Brahma Vidya related question which he likes. Samrad evam purvam papracha. Now see one number tippani. तृतीये ब्राह्मणे स्वप्न सुषुप्त्योरति विस्तृतिः क्रियते तौ हि दृष्टान्तौ परलोक विमोक्षयोः. This is from Vartik Star. In Tritiya Brahmana, between Swapna and Sushupti, Swapna Sushuptyoho ati vistritihi. Swapna and Sushupti, their elaboration is done. and they are drashtanta for paraloka vimoksha. Swapna is for paraloka, sushupti is for moksha. Dehadi vyatiriktvam tvamasangata swara sanchyate. Through swapna prasanga means swapna example, what is being shown? Dehadi vyatiriktvam, swaprabhatvam means swayam prakashatvam, and asangata. I am different from Dehadi Sanghata, I am Swayam Prakash Chaitanya, and I am Asanga. Advaitatvam drashtyalopa anandaika swabhavata idam trayam sushuptasya prasangenopapadyate. Sushupta prasanga. By Sushupta example, what is shown? Advaitatvam. In Sushupti, I am Advaita. Drishti alopa. Knowledge doesn't go away. स मेने न वदिष्ये, right? Yagnavalkya ji determined, he did sankalpa, I am not going to talk. Enena ragnya saha aham samvadishya. The Vartikakara changes the meaning. Sam upasarga pur. Enena samvadishya. Instead of sam, sa mene na vadishye, sam enena vadishye. Today I am going to talk to him for sure. And some upasarga will go with vadishye. What is the sutra for that?
Samava pravibhyaha sthaha. No.
Huh? What is this sutra? No, the
Long
sutra for some upasarga going with vadishye kriya pada. ते प्राग धातोः, ते upasargaha धातोः प्राग. They go before the dhatu, before kriya pada. And vyavahitascha, they are vyavahita. Even if they are separated, they will go prior to kriyapada only. Te prag dhatoho vyavahitasya. Two sutras. Tika. Tatparyam evam uktva vyakhyam aksharanam arabhate. By saying the tatparya of the Brahmana, now aksharanam vyakhyam arabhate. Vyakhyam aksharana. Janakam ha vaideham Yagnavalkyo jagama. Janaka went to Yagnavalkya went to Janaka. Sacha gacchanneva mene chintitavan na vadishye kinchidapi ragni. While going, he was making this determination. I am not going to talk today. I am not going to talk today. He went to Raja. Gamana prayojanam tu yogakshemartham. Then why was he going? If he was not going to talk? For yogakshema. Yogakshema. Yogakshema means he will get some wealth, etc. And just for being with king for his well-being. ठीक है. संवादम न करोमि इति व्रतम चेत किमिति गच्छति इति आशंक्य गमन प्रयोजनम्. उत्तरम आह योग इति. अथः इत्यादि अवतारयति. न वदिष्ये इति एवं संकल्पो अपि याज्ञवल्क्यो यत् जनकः पृष्टवान् तत्तत् प्रतिपेदे. तत्र को हेतु? If he had the sankalpa na vadishye, then whatever Janaka went on asking, he went on giving answers to everything. Tattat pratipede. Tatra ko hetu? Pratipede, 5 number tippani says, Uktavan. Means he understood and he responded. Sankalpitasya anyatha karana iti atra akhyayikam achaste. That why he did the different from what his sankalpa was. So for that this akhyayika is there. Tika atra uttaratvena iti sheshaha. Now is the later part, uttaratvena, or as the answer to this question. That is how. पूर्वत्र किल जनक याज्ञवल्क्ययोः संवाद आसीत् अग्निहोत्रे निमित्ते. तत्र जनकस्य अग्निहोत्र विषयं विज्ञानम् उपलभ्य परितुष्टो याज्ञवल्क्यस् तस्मै जनकाय ह किल वरं ददौ. Earlier between Janaka and Yajnavalkya there was a samvad in Agnihotra Nimitta. So Janaka, he had all the knowledge of Agnihotra. Janakasya Agnihotra Vishayam Vijnanam Upalabhya Paritushto Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkya was very pleased. Tasmai Janakaya hi kila varam dadau. He gave the varam. Tika. Purvatra iti karma kandokti. Iti karma kanda prasanga. Nanu Agnihotra prakarane kama prashno varo dattaschet. किमिति तत्रैव आत्मयाथात्म्य प्रश्न प्रतिवचने न आसूचिषाताम तत्र आह. At the time of Agnihotra, if Kama Prashna was, that boon was given by Yajnavalkya to Janaka. Why didn't Janaka start asking questions at that time itself? Kimiti tatraiva, at that time, Agnihotra Prasanga, Atma Yathatmya Prashna Prativachana, question and answers were not done at that time. Na asuchishatam, na asuchishatam. So, the meaning is why they were not raised, those questions were not asked and the answers were not given at that time. In Hindi, if you want, ऐसे प्रश्न और उत्तर क्यों नहीं सूचित किए गए थे? सूच, सूच पैशून्य इज ए धातु, चुरादिगण धातु, कर्मणि प्रयोग लुंग लकार, प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन. आत्मनेपद स्वरूप. असूचि शाताम तत्र आह. भाष्य सच जनको ह काम प्रश्नम एव वरम वव्रे वृतवान् तंच वरम हा अस्मै ददौ याज्ञवल्क्य. That Janaka asked, you give me the boon of Kama Prashna. Kama Prashnam eva varam. Means whenever I ask you questions about Vedanta, then you ask. Or he said, whenever I ask you question, means Yajnavalkya ji also knew. He is not going to ask any Laukika Prashna. So he says, yes. Vrutavans. Tancha varam ha asmai dadau Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkya gave that boon. Tena vara pradana samarthyena अव्याचिख्यासुमपि याज्ञवल्क्यं तूष्णीं स्थितमपि सम्राट एव जनकः पूर्वं पप्रच्छ. So vara pradhan was there. Based on that, Yajnavalkya was not interested in talking. Tushnim sthitam, he was quiet. But Janaka started. पूर्वं पप्रच्छ तत्रैव अनुक्तिः ब्रह्मविद्यायाः कर्मणा विरुद्धत्वात्. At that time, why this dialogue didn't happen? Because karma prasanga and Brahma Vidya, they cannot go together. Because at that time, there was no need of talking about Brahma Vidya if Agnihotra Prakranam is going on. So he didn't. This is called avasara, right opportunity when it is there to ask, then ask Vedanta questions. Karmana viruddhatvat. Brahma Vidya and karma, they have virodha. कर्म निरपेक्षाया ब्रह्म विद्याया मोक्ष हेतुत्वादपि कर्म प्रकरणे तदनुक्तिरित्याह. कर्म निरपेक्षा ब्रह्म विद्याया मोक्ष हेतुत्वात्. दे आर मोक्ष हेतु. कर्म प्रकरणे तदनुक्तिः. So in कर्म प्रकरण ब्रह्म विद्या etc are not mentioned. विद्यायाश्च स्वातंत्र्यात्. ब्रह्म विद्या is स्वतंत्र. सर्वापेक्षाधिकरण न्यायात् न तस्याः स्वातंत्र्यम् इत्याशंक्याः. Somebody is quoting Brahma Sutra number 9 टिप्पणी. सर्वापेक्षा च यज्ञादि श्रुतेर अश्ववत्. विद्यायाः स्वोत्पत्तौ सर्वेषाम् आश्रम कर्मणाम् अपेक्षा अस्ति. How they are स्वतंत्र. For Swavidya, all ashrama karmas are required. Yajnadi Shruti is what? Vividishanti yajnena danena tapasa anasakena ityadina yajnadi karmanam vividisha dwara jnana sadhanatva shravana. If person has done enough yajna, dana, tapa, etc., they will have desire for knowledge. And you can see the bheda, difference between so many sadhakas. Within Rishikesh, there are so many Mahatmas also. So many people who study. But somebody's punya karma, which has resulted in vividisha, is different. Another person's punya, their vividisha is different. So how long a person can study what, with what intensity, it varies from person to person. And the only factor is their punya. When the punya kshaya takes place, then that adhyanam will start dwindling. And when complete kshaya is there, that adhyanam will not be there. So it is all the punya because of yajna, dana, tapa. That's why the sutra says, Brahma Sutra, sarvapekshacha. Yajnadi Shruti is their pramanam. Ashwa what? Ashwa is the drashtanta. That Ashwa may not be useful for plowing the land, but Ashwa is required to pull the chariot. Like that, karma cannot give moksha, but karma will produce vividisha, and according to Vivarana Prasthana, karma. Anybody knows what is the difference here between Vivarana Prasthana and Bhamati Prasthana?
Ichha is more important according to Bhamati Prasthana.
क्या थोड़ा जोर से?
Ichha is more important according to Bhamati Prasthana.
And Vivarana?
Prakriti is more important.
What is the Prakriti here?
Sarvapeksha cha. In which Prakriti?
Prakriti, you have to know where is Prakriti, which Prakriti. In Vividishanti. In Vividishanti.
Vid is the Prakriti.
Jnana. with jnane dhatu. And the pratyaya is san
San.
pratyaya. San pratyaya is for ichha. So according to Bhamati Prasthana, san pratyaya is important. Means the ichha for knowledge is final. According to Bhamati. According to Vivarana, knowledge is final, not ichha for knowledge. Until knowledge is there, my punya has to work. Only ichha is there to study, and that ichha I may implement, I may start. But if knowledge has not taken place, then that ichha did not yield the result. Desired result through yajna, dana, tapa and vedanu-vachanam is not jnana ichha. The desired result is jnanam. And the example is given in this case by them.
Ashvena jigamishati.
Ashvena jigamishati. So Ashwa is only a sadhana for gantum ichha. But gamana ichha is not pradhana. Gamana, gantavya sthana prapti. Gamana means reaching the destination is my goal. So there also gamana is prakriti. San pratyaya is pratyaya. Gamana ichha. Ichha should not be pradhanam. Even though normally prakriti is gauna, pratyaya is pradhanam. But Vivarana Prasthan says in this case, prakriti should be taken pradhanam. Jnanam means all the punyas that we acquire, they should not only produce desire for knowledge, they should actually take me to liberation. That much punya I should have. That is why in the earlier days, from young age, they would ask children to do Gayatri Japa, etc. And they would initiate them into Yajna, Agadi, some Agnihotra, etc. Before they start becoming Bahirmukha, extroverted, they are connected to these things. So that there is enough punya when they take sannyasa, even if they stop doing all the karmas, that punya is there. And now that vairagya will keep increasing, keep increasing. This is the idea. And there is another sutra quoted, which is a little later. Okay, let's just finish this. Sarvapekshadikarana nyayat na tasyaha swatantriyam. Purvapaksha says Brahma Vidya is not swatantra because it requires everything. Sahi swa utpattau swaphale va karmani apekshate. See, Purvapakshi is now counter question. Brahma Vidya means knowledge. For its utpatti or for its phalam, karmani apekshate. So for utpatti, karmani na adyo abhyupagamat. So we accept, but not for phalam, not for moksha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.